Hello little artists, I'm Marina Olson and this is my channel where you're gonna learn how to draw easy and step by step. Today we're doing CAKEY from Gabby's Dollhouse. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I use a black marker, but you can change this for a pencil. Okay, let's start on the top of the paper. The first thing I do is a curved line for the top of her head. Then I'm going in a little and I'm gonna do the ears with two triangle shapes. So this is one, and here's the second one, and they pass this line a little bit, okay? Now we're gonna do a line that curves down a little, and it goes in the ear, and it curves down. Let's do it again. Let's go down, and it curves at the end. You see? Little curves at the end. Now we're gonna do another line that goes down here, so I'm just gonna go in a little, curve down, let's go in and curve down. Now let's do the sprinkles, and to do the sprinkles I'm just gonna do oval shapes. So he has two in each side. This is one, we leave a space, and we're gonna do another one. And the first sprinkle was pointing up. This one is pointing kind of like horizontal, it's like flat. This one the same, is pointing a little bit up, and this one is horizontal. And I'm doing this with the tip of my marker, so the lines are a little thin. Then we're gonna connect this line, passing in behind, connect and connect. There. Now I want to extend my lines here. I'm gonna pass again. This line is going in behind the sprinkle, and it goes curved down a little bit. This one looks a little longer than this one, so I'm just gonna go extend this so they are the same size or the same level. And now let's connect them with a curved line underneath. Let's go across. Next step is gonna be the face. So I'm gonna start with the sprinkles on the top, and these are also oval shapes. The first one on the left points to the left, the one in the middle points down, and the one on the right points to the right. They are diagonal. You see? 3 sprinkles. Here is the middle, and now we are gonna do the eyes. So the eyes are already separated, and so there are 2 oval shapes. I wanna start with the left one, and I wanna start doing my oval here, and inside on the top, on the left, we're gonna do a little circle that is gonna be the highlight of the eye. Let's do the same in this, and just so for have a reference, you're gonna put your finger kind of like where this sprinkle is, and you're gonna do the eye. Same here, finger space and your eye, and this circle is gonna be also to the left, just like this. And now let's fill with black. The nose is another sprinkle, so we're gonna do an oval shape in the middle. And now I'm doing the mouth, and it's just 2 U shapes underneath the nose. And to finish, we're gonna do another U shape in between. And he has a teeny weensy tongue. So let's do this like a letter M. There. Now let's work on the bottom part, like the part of the cupcake. And we're gonna go in a little bit and put a line that goes down. It's a diagonal line. Let's do the same in the other side. And these lines are gonna be the holding of the hands. So here's where the hands are gonna be. So we're gonna do a curved line that goes out and comes back and connects with this line. The same in the other side. And inside we're gonna put some details. So he has another sprinkle in 3 little circles. Let's do the same on the right one. Little sprinkle and 3 circles. I want to continue doing a line here. Let's leave a space, and then we're gonna curve going to the other side. So I'm leaving a space here, the same, and now let's connect them with a curved line just like this. Now in between here we're gonna put a line and a line, and these lines don't touch the bottom. Now let's keep doing these lines, try to leave the same space in between them. I'm going down without touching the line on the bottom. Let's put one more and see how I leave a space here. And to finish this up, we're gonna do just the legs, and they are super easy. They are just 2 U shapes on the bottom. And then that's it. We finished this character of Gabby's Dollhouse. I hope you liked this lesson. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we're done. Here's where you can pause the video if you want to match the colors I used. You can see how this color blue all around, and I do it with this color pencil. I went around and I color really soft with it. You can use this color pencil to go really soft, and then close to the black lines you can go and put a little bit more pressure just to get this like bright blue. So I went here putting like these soft lines, and on the edges I just did a little bit more pressure. Also, I use another color pencil, this pink color. I use it on the top of the ears and here in his cheeks. And the blue color I also use it for do a highlight on the eyes. You can use this blue color, or you can use a blue crayon. These crayons are ideal for these highlights. They actually work really good over the black marker, on top of the black marker. To do this gradient, I just went by with my markers and I started using the colors like pink, purple, and then blue. And at the end I used kind of like a color mint just to give this gradient here. And to finish this up, I just used this black marker and I went around one time just to pop up more the colors. If you like this video, don't forget to check out the playlist that I want to make for Gabby's Dollhouse, where you can see more characters and more lessons, step by step and easy like this one. See you next time!